Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Happy weekend. Happy Saturday. I'm going to make some yummy healthy lunch. I have a fillet of fish that I cut into 4 pieces. I had 2 fillets that cut into 4 pieces, and I will dip it in the egg that I added some salt and black pepper to. Then I will use the Parmesan cheese to just instead of breadcrumbs, because there are no carbs in that cheese, in dry cheese, and a little bit lemon on the fish just to give it a little bit of zesty flavor, little sprinkle of salt on the fish, and then I will make some green beans and peppers to go along with the fish. So let's get started. I'm almost ready over here. Alright, so in order to coat that fish, let's spread out the cheese a little bit. That's the dry cheese. Whisk the egg one more time. Since it's not going to be fried, just a little olive oil to coat the cast iron. Okay, so pick up the fish, coat it with the egg, with the cheese, and put it here. Repeat the same. Egg on all sides. Sorry about the noise. Coat, 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 coat. 2-3 times. Make sure the cheese is everywhere. Pick it up and let it sit over there. So let me do the rest of the two. Very simple. You don't want to use your hand. Use the fork. Get the egg on all sides. I know it's a messy thing, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So there comes the fish. Same thing. Coat it with the cheese. Coat, coat, coat. Coat, coat, coat. Done. This. Okay. Let's make room over here, and that's it. Done. Let me clear the counter. So the fish is all coated nicely. White cheese, dry cheese, because it's zero carb. First of all. Second, you can always choose whatever dry cheese you like, and I like Parmigiano, so that's what I picked. Heat up the griddle or your pan on medium to high. This one is preheated, so we are ready to start making the fish. Always to check if it's ready or not, drop a little bit of teeny tiny thing. If you see it start making bubbles, it's done. Otherwise wait. This is not a deep fry or anything. It's just a little coat, but you can still feel it. You see, now it's making the little bubble, so it's ready. That's the head of a coated fish. I'm going to give it like 2 minutes on each side or less. I will check. I don't want to burn it. There you go, or 4 pieces. Smells good. Just make sure it's not sticking. We don't want to burn it. You can do the same with the chicken too. Same exact way you can take a boneless chicken and you can do it. Let me turn one to see you how the color is coming along. See? How beautiful is that? It's medium to low, and we are not planning to burn it. This one will go back on this. Yeah, okay. Okay, so I moved the fish to the further stove, and because I'm ready to make some beans, This is the roughly chopped garlic I just prepared. Let the fish cook over there and we can make the beans here. I'm going to toast the garlic and take half out and cook the beans in half. And whenever I'm toasting my garlic, I like to add some cumin to it and toast the cumin at the same time. Okay, you can see the garlic is changing color. Now it's time to take it out. Those 2 spoons of garlic, I took 1 out, 1 teaspoon out. Adding the green beans. I'm going to add 1 cup of beef broth. You can also add vegetable broth, chicken stock, whatever. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. A teaspoonful of pepper paste. 1 cup of diced tomatoes. Cover it and let it simmer. Let it simmer for 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes on medium flame. Beans looking nice. Add 1/2 cup of sliced onions. Tablespoon of lemon juice. Cover back. It's been 5 minutes already, so now I added onion. Another 5 minutes I'll add the peppers. Our fish is done. Nice beautiful golden crust is cooked. Time to add the peppers. Just leave them like that and cover it again for 5 minutes. I'm going to plate the fish now, and for garnish I'm going to use some of that growing fresh cilantro leaves and some of the onion greens. Beans are almost done. You have to take the fork and put it in. It looks nice and soft. See how it's moving? That means it's almost done. I'm going to give it another minute or 2. You can see how pretty the beans look. They are nice and soft and almost ready. Alright, it's time to plate them. Bismillah, the food is ready. Let me garnish it with some of the garlic I put away. There's some garlic, fried toasted garlic and cumin. And there you go. Extra special. There's my cheese crusted fish with green beans and peppers. There's one good looking meal and it's healthy, and please do subscribe to my channel. I'm sharing my meal with you. If you like it, if you like the way I cook, what I'm doing, please don't forget to subscribe. And that's about it. It's time for me to eat now. This was so easy to make and so delicious and so healthy. Only thing in there is the olive oil that is sometimes necessary, but if you have a choice, you don't want to use it, then don't. You can find another substitute.